Hello everybody, it's Ira Bowman, and today I want to talk to you about your social media strategy. Find me on Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, both my personal and my business page, Pinterest, all kinds of boards for you to explore, Twitter, I tweet every single day. Again, find me on Facebook, both for my personal and business page. My Service Professionals Network, or SPN page. Find all kinds of fun stuff at my FYI pages. Of course, you can find me on projecthelpyougrow.com. The key to success on social media is to be active on all the boards. Find me on each and let's connect and help each other grow today.